Okay, this recording has been done just to wrap up the grade 9 student-led conference portion. I just want to go over the answers for all three questions. So we were doing scientific notation is our major focus or outcome at this point in time. We now have actually moved on to some pattern stuff as well. But your answer for question 1, if you look under red here, they were asked to take 0.1, which was the thickness of paper, and turn it into proper scientific notation. In this particular case, we can take a look at here with, I'll use the green. They've taken 0.1 and they've kicked it back one position, which then of course puts it behind the 1, so it makes it times 10 to the power of -1 using proper scientific notation. Answer for section yellow. If they chose the yellow question, they actually had to do an operations with scientific notation. So in this case, they had to take two numbers. They had to take the 20 millimeters for the thickness of the stack, turn that into scientific notation, which is 2.0 times 10 to the first. And they had to divide it then by the thickness of one sheet of paper in order to determine how many sheets of paper there would be. Doing proper scientific notation, you take lead number divided by lead number, and when we are dividing those two, you get your 2 for the new lead number. When we take a look at the division on the back half, the bases are the same, 10 and 10, and it's a subtraction. When the bases are the same, we're going to subtract exponents. 1, take away a -1, we're going to switch the back half to do proper integers, and it's going to give us 2 right here, which makes our final answer that in scientific notation. And in this particular case, the final answer completely would be the 200 sheets, would be the final answer. Lastly, we look down here at the green answer. Again, we have started with that original information that was back on level red. We then have the 3 centimeters and we had to turn it into 30 millimeters, which is stated right there. And we are then going to multiply it by 3 cents a sheet as well, right there. So we take 30 millimeters, turn it into scientific notation, divide by our original scientific notation, the thickness of a piece of paper, divide those two, again, lead number by lead number, trail number, the bases are the same, so I can get away with subtracting the exponents. I end up with the power 2, which makes it 300 sheets. The final step that takes this to more of an enrichment level for math is to actually apply it in the real world, in which case times it by 3 cents per page gives you 900 cents, in which case same as $9. So your final answer then for the level green question was $9. That is it for the three answers for the grade 9 student-led conferences fall 2008. If you have any other further questions, please make sure that you seek out Mr. Steves so that you can get those questions answered before you leave the building tonight. Thank you.